Today we break down JavaScript equals, double equals, and triple equals, a tiny difference that decides whether your code works correctly or fails. Think of double equals as flexible. It adjusts values to match. But triple equals is strict. It checks value and type exactly. JavaScript sometimes changes types automatically. This is called type coercion. Double equals allows it, but triple equals strictly prevents any conversion.
Now let's test both operators in console. Double equals returns true, but triple equals returns false because types are completely different.
See the difference clearly now. Double equals converts types automatically, but triple equals keeps everything strict. No conversion happens at all here.
Watch these surprising cases. True equals 1 is true, null equals undefined is true, but strict comparison makes everything behave differently.
Now things get tricky. JavaScript behaves strangely in edge cases because loose equality tries to guess your intention instead of staying strict.
These comparisons look confusing. Empty string equals 0 is true, but strict comparison prevents hidden conversions that can cause serious bugs.
The reason is type coercion rules. JavaScript automatically converts values in loose equality, but strict equality avoids all hidden automatic conversions.
This is a real bug example. False equals 0 becomes true, causing incorrect logic, and your application behaves in completely unexpected ways.
To fix this bug, always use triple equals. It prevents unwanted conversions and keeps your logic clean, predictable, and safe in every case.
After switching to strict equality, the condition behaves correctly, no hidden conversion occurs, and the output now matches the actual logical expectation.
Quick recap. Double equals compares values with conversion, while triple equals compares both value and type, making it the safer and preferred choice.
This quick comparison makes it simple. Loose equality converts types and risks bugs, while strict equality ensures exact matching and reliable, predictable behavior.
If you found this helpful, start practicing today, use triple equals in your projects, and subscribe for more simple coding lessons like this.